Hey guys, cheers. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. It's Saturday morning and I am in a good mood, so I thought I'd do, this is like the third, this is the third try for this video. For some reason, the computer fates will not allow me to upload this video. So I'm gonna try it one more time. Here's the router, and I used the guide bars that it comes with for the track system. I took those, hollowed out a little cavity here that the base fits in, and then I took a piece of pallet wood oak, cut some notches, and then I put Bondo, and then I squeezed it onto these bars, and they're really tight. So that plus these bolts hold it in to where it's rock solid. So I don't think I'm going to have a problem with that shifting. And it's pretty quick and easy to remove, so I think that'll be a good thing for when I move this table from place to place. That'll be a good thing. And how that works is I've got some pins that hold the legs in just temporarily while I'm putting it together, and it's kind of hard to do. It's a little tight with one hand. There we go. The pin comes out, and that's what locks the leg in just temporarily until I think I'm going to put some screws to hold it tighter. But I think that'll be a good way of just getting it sort of put together so I can flip it on right side up and then do whatever else I'm going to do. So these legs fit inside the table. And what I'm planning on doing is in between the legs to give it more support when it's in the, by itself mode, whatever that is. Independent mode, I guess. The legs I cut a little too short for the way it is with my table, so that way they'll fit inside the table. And what I did to balance that out was just put this bolt in here, and that threads in to give me the distance I need to make it level with my shop table. And that way the legs will still fit in. And then I got a bunch of hardware that I'm going to use today to put extra supports in the table, and it's going to go from leg to leg, and this screws into here, and then it receives a bolt. And what I'm going to do is just have a bolt come through the 2x to another 2x, and that should cinch it all down pretty tight, I think. I hope so. Hope it'll work good. And then I'm going to set that distance high enough so that I can use that as a lever point to raise and lower the router when I'm making adjustments. I'll just have a 2x with maybe like a pan shape that'll fit over the top, and then push it. By pushing down there, it'll act like a lever, and that way I can make adjustments when it's right side up. So for the excuse me, for the hinge, I just found these cheap hinges, and they worked really well. It's just thick plate steel metal and some 2x, and then use some more of the 3/4 inch, and that locks the table to the shop table. Let me show you how it works. Just flips right on over. Check it out. And I made it so that it's level with the table, so any runoff, like any pieces I'm cutting will feed onto the table. And then my fence guide right here, which I'm still working on, that fits over the bit, and it's hooked up to my Festool vac, and it's really clean, so that's a nice thing. I really don't like when you've got like wood flying everywhere, and the vacuum's powerful enough to get just about all of it, so it works well, and I'm almost done. Boy, the engineering that went into this is just a little too much, but I think it's going to give me a lot of good use, so it's worth the effort. Anyway, hope you're having a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys next time. Take care. Bye.